The Times They Are a Changing by Bob Dylan.
Hi dears, now we are going to discuss about the song The Times They Are a Changing by Bob Dylan. Before discussing about the poem in detail, we can talk about the author. Bob Dylan is an American folk rock singer, stage performer, songwriter, film actor, painter, and music director who became the first song lyricist to win the prestigious Nobel Prize for Literature in 2016. Much of his celebrated works appeared in the 1960s. His songs Blowing in the Wind appeared in 1963 and The Times They Are a Changing in 1964 became anthems for civil rights and anti-war movements. He has born Robert Allen Zimmerman on May 24, 1941 in Duluth, Minnesota in a Jewish family. The Times They Are a Changing is a legendary song that came out in 1964. And you might be wondering why we are learning a song here as part of English literature. Because his lyrics are literary and musical. There is a kind of literary charm in his songs. The poet has used various literary devices like metaphors, simile, and imagery in his works. And you can see the kind of figurative language he has used in his songs. His lyrics are poetical and literary. When you read the poem, you have to understand the condition of America in 1960s. 1960s is a turbulent time. There was civil rights movement going on there. Hippie movement is there, counterculture movement is there, and there was anti-war movement going on there in America. So you have to read the poem in this background. Civil rights movement in the United States was a long struggle by African Americans to end racial discrimination and racial segregation. The American counterculture refers to the period between 1964 to 1972 when the norms of the 1950s were largely rejected by the youth. Counterculture is any culture whose values and lifestyles are opposed to those of the established mainstream culture. Counterculture youth rejected the cultural standards of their parents, especially with respect to racial segregation, the Vietnam War, sexual mores, women's rights, and materialism. Hippie movement was part of the American counterculture movement. The movement originated in the college campuses in the United States and spread to other countries including Canada and Britain. The hippies are noted for their long hair and casual, often unconventional dress, sometimes in psychedelic colors. Come gather round people wherever you roam, and admit that the waters around you have grown, and accept it that soon you'll be drenched to the bone. If your time to you is worth saving, then you better start swimming or you'll sink like a stone, for the times they are a-changing. In the first stanza, Bob Dylan is asking people to gather around. Come gather round people wherever you roam. This shows the influence of Scottish and Irish ballad tradition in his songs. Bob Dylan is asking everybody to gather so that he wants to say something to them. Water, it symbolizes. He is saying that waters around you have grown. Water is rising. Water symbolizes the injustice, inequality, poverty, and racism prevailing in American society. People have to realize that and they have to react. They have to react against this injustice. They have to swim, otherwise they will sink like a stone in that water. They have to They have to swim means they have to react. They have to react against the injustice. Water, it also symbolizes the upcoming apocalyptic image of a flood, of a destructive flood. And here you can see that, or you will sink like a stone. Here the literary device used is simile.
Come writers and critics who prophesize with your pen, and keep your eyes wide, the chance won't come again. And don't speak too soon, for the wheel is still in spin, and there is no telling who that it's naming, for the loser now will later to win, for the times they are a-changing.
In the second stanza, Bob Dylan is directly addressing to those who write for the media or newspaper. Those writers and critics are described as those who prophesize with their pen. They have to open their eyes wide and they have to understand the situation. They have to look around, they have to see around, and they should not react, or they should not speak too quickly, because the things are getting changed. The time is changing. Good is going to come. And the wheel, it signifies the time wheel.
Come senators, congressmen, please heed the call, don't stand in the doorway, don't block up the hall. For he that gets hurt will be he who has stalled. There's a battle outside and it is raging. It will soon shake your windows and rattle your walls, for the times they are a-changing.
In the third stanza, Dylan is addressing the senators and congressmen and those who are involved in the government affairs. The poet is asking them to hear the call of protest. He is asking them not to stand in their doorway and block up the hall. A battle is going outside and it is raging. The battle outside signifies the civil rights movement. Here, poet has used an imagery. The old order and rigidities are related with a house imagery. The battle will shake the walls, shake and break the walls of old rules and rigidities. Change is coming.
Come mothers and fathers throughout the land, and don't criticize what you can't understand. Your sons and your daughters are beyond your command. Your old road is rapidly aging. Please get out of the new one. If you can't lend your hand, for the times they are a-changing.
In the fourth stanza, Dylan is addressing the fathers and mothers. He is telling them that please don't criticize what you don't understand. He is addressing the elder generation. Youth are fighting for freedom, and the elders should not look down upon them.
The line it is drawn, the curse it is cast, the slow one now will later be fast. As the present now will later be past, the order is rapidly fading. And the first one now will later be last, for the times they are a-changing.
The last stanza shows the universal and perpetual nature of change. Dylan notes that the present will soon be past. The first two lines of this stanza gives a supernatural aura to this poem. The change is happening. Change is coming. The slow one now will soon be first. The soon be fast. It gives a marathon imagery. Gives a marathon running imagery. Life is a race. Anything can happen. Changes will come. The slow ones now will soon become fast. This final stanza stages the entire poem. Soon change will come, equality will be there, justice will be there.
Hope you have enjoyed the poem. Thank you.